So I'm day 14 post-op, had the hair transplant 2 weeks ago exactly, and everything's been going really well. I'm actually very surprised about how quickly I was able to recover. I've really had no issues whatsoever, no pain. It's just been a really easy process. Everything's been kind of resumed back to normal. So I had mentioned in my previous videos, I'm just doing regular showers. And then just with the shampoo, I'm still using the pads of my fingers just to go over the grafts to see if any of them fall out. As you can see, a lot of them have. So you can definitely see my original hairline there. And then, yeah, all the scabs I think are pretty much gone for the most part. Other things to mention, I've been doing minoxidil every day. So I did mention before it's 12.5% that I've been using once a day in the evening before bed. I've also been taking an oral medication called finasteride. So Dr. Alexander did write me a prescription for this. So you take it once a day. It's just an oral medication and it helps promote the hair growth, apparently, especially in the crown area of the head, which is great. And then, yeah, I did also book a PRP session. So PRP is platelet rich plasma, I believe. So what they do is they take blood from your arm and they inject it into the scalp, and it also helps promote healthy hair growth. On the day of actually my hair transplant, they did a PRP soak of the hair graft. So they did take out the blood, they put it in a centrifuge, and it separates the platelet plasma. And then, yeah, they just soaked the grafts in that before putting them in my head. So, yeah, that was kind of like a first session, I guess, but I'm able to do another session a month after the initial hair transplant. So I have booked that for the end of March. And then last thing is there is the laser cap option. I haven't purchased one yet, but I am looking into that. So I just am trying to do everything that has been recommended for me after the hair transplant, just to make sure, I'm getting the optimal, results. Just because, you do spend money on a hair transplant, why not go all out and just do everything that they recommend just to help everything grow better. So yeah, 2 weeks out. I'll keep you posted in the next couple of days, but nothing really to report. Sleeping's been good. I'm back to just normal sleeping. I don't have to sleep on my back. No pain. I've been wearing a hat mostly to go outside. I always wore hats before just because have quite a receding hairline. So just doing that as normal, but nothing else to really report other than that everything's been going smoothly.